Hi, Jack. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to learn square numbers in probably less than 3 minutes, okay? It's not going to take very long at all, I promise you. So I'm going to share my screen with you and talk you through square numbers, and I am 100% confident that you are going to fully understand this. Okay, so what is a square number? Well, a square number is the answer we get when we multiply any number by itself. So it doesn't matter what number it is. It could be 1 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 5, 84 multiplied by 84. As long as we multiply the same number together, we get a square number. The answer will be a squared number. So let me show you what I mean. Down the left-hand side here, I've got 1 times 1. Now, because we're multiplying the same number together, 1 and 1, the answer, 1, must be a squared number. And now we've got 2 multiplied by itself, 2 times 2. The answer is 4. So 4 must be a squared number. 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 must be a squared number. Okay, so I'm going to stop there, and I want to see if you can tell me what the other squared numbers are all the way up to 12 times 12. Now, one more thing that I should probably point out is when we want to write a squared number a lot more sort of conveniently, rather than writing 3 times 3, for example, I could just write 3 squared like this. I'll show you 3 with a little 2 above it like that. This here, this means 3 squared. So 3 times 3, which is 9. So in other words, rather than writing 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3, what I could do is I could write 1 squared, or 2 squared, or 3 squared. Okay, that's how we write a number followed by squared, with a tiny little 2 in the top right hand corner. Okay, so hopefully you've understood that bit. When you have understood that bit, I've got a challenge for you, and the challenge is this. Now, I don't know if I can't tell if you can see my whole screen, because I know my camera's on the screen, and if I'm covering any of the writing, I do apologize, but hopefully I'm not. Now the challenge says Harry Kane scored 23 goals in the Premier League last season, but is 23 a squared number? So you've got to use some reasoning here. Is 23 a squared number? If yes, how do you know? And if no, how do you know? Okay, now, before I go, I should let you know that Harry Kane learned absolutely everything he knows while he was playing for Millwall, because Millwall are the greatest team and Spurs are they're just okay. All right, thank you very much for watching, Jack. I hope this has helped, and take care. Goodbye.